If your OnePlus phone just got the Android 15 Oxygen OS 15 update, you'll notice now that there are two ways to access the quick access panel. And if you want all of them under one swipe down as before, here's where you can go to change it. So basically, if you swipe from the top right, you'll get this here, but from the top left, you'll get the notifications section. But if you want them both in one area, you'll go ahead and pull down from here on the right side and tap on these three dots right here. You'll see Customize Quick Settings and tap on that one time. At default, after the update, you'll have the split view. And if you decide to stick with that, you'll also have a few more settings here that allow you to make changes to it. However, if you want the classic, in which everything is there, you can select that. And you also have the tile shape. So if you want to change the shapes there, just as a little extra info here. Now, once you have it set to the classic, from now on, wherever you pull down, it will always be the quick access followed by the notifications. And if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.